Echelon Smart Connect X-Bike app. The pros, the cons. Most people think the Echelon X is just a stationary bike, but paired with the Smart Connect app, it becomes a full interactive fitness experience you can use anywhere in your home. You won't believe how much it can track and motivate you. Starting with the pros, the app offers live and on-demand cycling classes led by professional instructors. It provides real-time metrics like cadence, resistance, power output, and calories burned. One of the standout features is the leaderboard, which adds a competitive and social element that motivates users to push harder during workouts. The app also includes off-bike workouts like strength, yoga, and stretching sessions, making it a more complete fitness solution. Users can set goals, track progress, and even join challenges with the Echelon community. Integration with Apple Health and Google Fit makes it easy to consolidate your health data in one place. On the downside, most of the live classes and advanced tracking features require a subscription, which can add up over time. Some users find the touchscreen interface less responsive compared to other premium bikes. Additionally, while the leaderboard is motivating for some, it can feel stressful for beginners to prefer a more private workout experience. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Connect X-Bike app transforms a stationary bike into a connected fitness hub. With live classes, detailed performance metrics, and community engagement, it offers an immersive workout experience. While there is a subscription cost and a learning curve for some users, the value it provides for motivation, tracking, and versatility makes it a strong option for home fitness enthusiasts.